Welcome to an Achieving Science video. This video is going to look at transition metals. Here we have a diagram of the periodic table. The transition metals can be mainly seen in blue. So, the transition metals are found mainly in the middle of the periodic table. They conduct electricity. They conduct thermal energy. They're shiny, they're very dense, and they're strong. But how do they compare with the alkali metals? If you can recall some of the main properties of alkali metals, it will first help to make this comparison. Here we have a table that's going to compare the different properties. First of all, we have reactivity. We find that the alkali metals are very much more reactive than transition metals, which are less reactive. We find that the density of alkali metals is less, and the transition metals is much greater. We find that the hardness, alkali metals are softer, as where transition metals are harder. We can compare their strength. Alkali metals are weaker, transition metals are stronger. Also, we can compare melting points. Alkali metals have a lower melting point, whereas transition metals have a higher melting point. Overall, you can see that there are significant differences between the alkali metals and transition metals. Also, other key features. The transition metals are able to form ions with different charges. They also usually form coloured compounds, and they can be used as catalysts.